Hello there, catastrophic science students, and welcome to our second week of e-learning. Today is Monday, April 6th, and today we begin a week-long assignment. We'll be watching the video, The Red Line. The Red Line is a historical documentary detailing the use of chemical weapons during modern times, focusing on the 20th and the 21st century, and the video starts right around World War I, when chemical weapons began to be used extensively in chemical warfare. This video is 1 hour and 50 minutes long, and you'll have the entire week to watch the video and answer the questions that go along with it. If you average 22 minutes of video each day, you'll get it done during these 5 days. It will take you longer than 22 minutes of video time to get through it because, as I mentioned, you'll be answering questions that go along with the video. But please do not work more than 30 minutes per day unless you want to get ahead. 30 minutes should be your maximum time. The assignment is not officially due till Sunday, April 12th. So if you if you cannot get it done by Friday, you can finish it over the next weekend and submit it to me by Sunday. How can you watch the video and answer questions on the packet? Again, the packet is 9 pages long with 68 questions. One way, option 1, would be to print the packet out that goes along with the video. If you have a printer, that is an excellent option. You can print the packet out. It's 9 pages, and you can do the work directly, write the answers directly onto the questions. The second option, if you don't have a printer, you could take pictures of the packet using your phone and then keep it in front of you so that you can look at the questions while you watch the video. That's the hard part, being able to watch the questions, see the questions while you watch the video. But if you take pictures on your phone, you'll know what the questions are as you watch the video. You can write the answers on your own sheet of paper. If you would rather watch the video on your phone, you could have the questions up on your Chromebook. This video is on YouTube, so if you have a smart TV, it is worth watching on a nice big screen. It is an outstanding video. So you could watch it on your smart TV and then have the questions open on your Chromebook and again write them on your own paper. If you're very tech savvy, you could go with option 3, where you make an electronic copy of the packet. Then you could type your answers directly on the handout packet while you use your Chromebook to watch the video, or some other device like a smart TV or your phone or whatever you want to do. But it will help a lot if you can see the questions in front of you as you're watching the video. Any of those options should work. Again, the handout is 9 pages long, 68 questions, and it is worth 45 points, which is a huge amount of points for this class. Please be sure that you'll submit it all at once when you've completed the entire assignment. On many of the questions, as you look at the questions, you'll see right next to the question number is a tag telling you where in the video the answer is discussed. That's just to help you understand where you are in the video and where the questions are and the answers can be found. Don't skip ahead though. Don't just go from question to question, fast forwarding through the video to get finished up in time. Those tags are just there to help you know where to begin looking for the answers. This is a great documentary. It is the go-to documentary for chemical weapons warfare in the 20th and 21st century. So watch it, enjoy it. It is a great video. Once again, submit it all at once. You can take pictures of your completed answers, whether you wrote it on your own paper, whether you wrote the answers on the actual handout, or if you did it electronically, then just share it with me. But make sure it gets to my email, steve.hippemeyer@ketteringschools.org. If you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to fire me an email, and I'll get back to you. Have a great week and enjoy the video.